The recently concluded ANA Avatar X Prize Technology Contest with $10 million prize fund aims to catalyze a new phase in robotics development and various other innovative ideas and technologies. A vast number of teams from different countries participated, competing to showcase the most technologically advanced robot avatar. One of the most interesting and promising developments was brought by the Japanese team Janus, a joint team based on the Japanese and French laboratories JRL and LIRMM. The staff of these laboratories have extensive knowledge and experience in creating humanoid robots. For their avatar, the Janus team uses a bipedal gynoid robot called HRP-4C, also known as the Robot Girl meme. This robot was previously developed by AIST in collaboration with Kawada Industries. HRP-4C is considered one of the most humanoid robots among existing humanoid robots worldwide. It has a natural gait, can effectively manipulate objects, and can recognize facial expressions. The robot impressed both the jury and the general audience interested in high technology. The Korean Advanced Institute of Science and Technology has developed a robotic system called Hubo-Q, designed for transporting people. This autonomous mobile robot is part of the Hubo series, known for its advanced humanoid and mobile robotic machines. Hubo-Q represents an innovative solution in the field of personal transportation. It is equipped with an advanced navigation system, including lidars, cameras, and sensors, which allow the robot to safely navigate its environment and avoid obstacles. This enables Hubo-Q to transport passengers efficiently and safely along predefined routes. The robot features an ergonomic design and a comfortable passenger seat, making the ride both convenient and pleasant. Hubo-Q can autonomously plan routes, taking into account road and pedestrian zone congestion, and adapt to changing environmental conditions. The development of Hubo-Q is part of KAIST's efforts to integrate advanced technologies into everyday life. Hubo-Q can also be used as a robot for autonomous delivery. Marco Tempest calls himself a cyber illusionist who works at the intersection of magic and technology. At a TED conference dedicated to robotics, Marco Tempest demonstrated the capabilities of the robot EDI. EDI, which stands for Electronic Deceptive Intelligence, is Tempest's latest techno-aid, a friendly Baxter robot who ponders the difference between artificial and human intelligence. Tempest says, "Mechanical robots of yore, the Victorians performing thinking machines, were mere illusions compared to today's intelligent robots. EDI, on the other hand, is very real, with a 360-degree sonar detection system and two 7-axis arms." Tempest says, "We are intrigued by the possibility of creating a mechanical version of ourselves. The perfect robot would be indistinguishable from the human, and that scares us. Since we can't read the facial features of robots, for example, we can't anticipate their actions, but that goes both ways." EDI agrees. "Humans are unpredictable and irrational. I literally have no idea what you guys are going to do next time." American engineer and popular YouTuber Alan Pan has created a unique device called punch-activated arm flamethrowers. This innovative gadget is attached to the forearms and is activated by striking a sensor, which then releases a jet of fire. The device operates on a mechanism that responds to physical impact, making its activation quick and spectacular. The punch-activated arm flamethrowers are a combination of engineering ingenuity and visual flair. The device includes a fuel tank, an ignition mechanism, and a sensor system that reacts to punches. When activated, it ejects a controlled stream of fire, creating an impressive and thrilling effect. The punch-activated arm flamethrowers are one of Pan's most impressive inventions. This gadget not only showcases his engineering skills, but also his ability to turn fantastical ideas into reality. The device has garnered widespread attention and has become popular due to its uniqueness and visual appeal. At a meeting, Forschungszentrum Informatik in Karlsruhe, a unique robotic hand capable of performing delicate and precise manipulations with various objects was presented for the first time. Research on the development of the manipulator with artificial tendons was conducted as part of the European project DexMart, handling different items, such as a paper cup filled with juice, is easy for us but poses a significant challenge for robots. Researchers have developed a mechanical hand that can easily perform these tasks and is equipped with more actuators than there are muscles in a human hand. Extremely durable polymer tendons enable the robotic hand to lift 5-kilogram objects at a speed of 30 millimeters per second, using just one small electric motor and a 20 centimeters long tendon. Each finger of the robot, like a human finger, consists of 3 segments controlled by individual tendons. The new manipulator can effortlessly lift heavy objects while simultaneously handling fragile items, such as a chicken egg, with care. Such machines can be used for collaborative work with humans, in surgery, and for performing complex repair tasks in hazardous environments. Max Bionic, a startup in the field of biomechatronics, has unveiled its flagship product, MeHand, the bionic prosthesis of the future. This type of prosthesis is controlled by electromyographic sensors that read the electrical potential of muscles. The signal is processed by a controller, which then transmits commands to the motors. These motors position the fingers as needed. The main feature of this prosthesis is its flexible adaptation to the user's needs through data input via an app, and a smart algorithm that calculates the patient's actions and either removes or adds functionality. The MeHand prosthesis is made from high-quality materials such as titanium, steel, duralumin, and nylon, using ultra-modern precision industrial machines. It has a sturdy metal frame that transfers loads from the fingers to the forearm. This design allows the prosthesis to withstand significant loads up to 30 kilograms and create powerful force when gripping. Here is the KR Agilis, a very compact and simple-looking robot arm weighing 52 kilograms, designed for moving loads and other manipulation operations, as well as for surface treatment, assembly, and installation of parts. In general, it's a versatile limb for all occasions. The maximum load Agilis can lift is only 6 kilograms, and its reach radius is 900 millimeters. The idea to adapt the robot arm for playing table tennis was initially purely promotional. However, it turned into a real match between a human and a robot, which was definitely not staged. No one doubted the robot would win, but the match's outcome surprised everyone. The invited star Timo Boll lost the first rounds to the robot completely, but later noticed a technical malfunction in the robot and managed to use it to his advantage, winning all the remaining rounds. Boll played with a touch of the ball on the net, which is allowed by the rules of table tennis. The ball rolled over the net and fell onto the machine's side. The robot had no chance. Even if it had managed to reach the ball, it would have been forced to touch the net with its paddle, which is considered a foul. In this showdown between man and machine, the victory went to the human. The winner of the $10 million prize fund X-Prize Avatar contest was the NIMB-RO team from the Autonomous Intelligent Systems Group at the University of Bonn, Germany, with their remotely controlled robot project operated through VR glasses and an exoskeleton. Their prize of $5 million is comparable to a substantial investment round and could serve as a springboard for creating a major company. The NIMB-RO robot features 5-fingered hands, and its head is mounted on a robotic arm, allowing for freedom of movement. The operator uses virtual reality glasses, and the exoskeleton transmits the movements of the operator's arms and fingers, with the correct force providing tactile feedback. The machine underwent a test in which it had to remotely complete 10 tasks, including activating a switch, using a drill to open a door, and identifying objects of various textures and weights. The NIMB-RO team completed the task in 5 minutes and 50 seconds. British inventor James Bruton runs a popular YouTube channel showcasing his innovative creations. Recently, he unveiled a groundbreaking project, the world's first screw bike. This electric bicycle features 4 mecanum wheels, each equipped with smaller double taper wheels set at a 45-degree angle, enabling omnidirectional movement. Known for his prowess in 3D printing, welding, and mechanical engineering, Bruton faced a significant challenge in designing a bike with such unique capabilities. Despite its technical complexity, The screw bike maintains self-balancing capabilities and can be driven forward using a twist throttle. It includes a backward switch and separate controls for spinning in place, akin to a Segway but with enhanced maneuverability due to its innovative wheel configuration. Enthusiast from the Monster Mike fishing channel is using new technologies to explore the underwater world. The video blogger attaches a GoPro to a fish to showcase the underwater environment of lakes. The YouTuber has made the fishing process more technological. In the video, the blogger explains in detail how he went to a small lake to check if there are any large underwater predators and other inhabitants. Upon arrival, the blogger attached an underwater camera to the back of a freshly caught large fish, set it up, and released the fish to the bottom of the lake. The caught fish became a real underwater blogger, traveling through rivers and lakes in search of pike and other animals. The experiment garnered significant interest from viewers, who appreciated the unique approach and the impressive footage from the perspective of an underwater inhabitant. The American company Humanoid creates unique silicone suits that allow individuals to transform into any other person, such as a woman transforming into a man, or a man transforming into a woman. Humanoid's silicone suits offer a comprehensive solution for full-body transformation, covering the entire body from head to toe. They are made from high-quality silicone, which provides realistic skin texture and natural movement. These suits are meticulously designed down to the smallest details, including realistic facial features, anatomically accurate proportions, and natural body lines. The face, hands, feet, and other visible parts of the body exhibit a high degree of realism, including pores, wrinkles, and other skin characteristics. The suits also include realistic breasts, hips, and buttocks, allowing for a complete feminine effect. The suits are easy to put on and take off, ensuring comfort during prolonged wear. They are designed with anatomical considerations in mind, allowing users to feel as natural and free in their movements as possible. Additionally, the materials used are hypoallergenic and safe for the skin, making them suitable for extended use. These suits are suitable for various purposes, whether for performances, theatrical productions, themed parties, or personal experiences. Humanoid offers its customers the opportunity to experience transformation and embrace a new persona, making their products popular among a huge audience. The Japanese company Double Research and Development presented its innovative robotic arm at the International Robot Exhibition. This robot was designed to perform complex manipulations and tasks in various industrial and service applications. The robotic arm from Double Research and Development features high precision and flexibility, allowing it to perform a wide range of tasks, such as assembling small parts, packaging, and moving objects. One of the key features of this arm is its ability to autonomously learn and adapt to different working conditions, making it indispensable in modern production processes. The robotic arm is equipped with sensors and artificial intelligence systems, enabling it to analyze its surroundings and make real-time decisions. The Japanese startup SkyDrive has developed the SD-03 flying car, representing an advanced solution for future urban transportation. The SD-03 is a single-seat vertical takeoff and landing air vehicle equipped with 8 electric motors. It is designed for autonomous flights at low altitudes and speeds. The SD-03 has compact dimensions, a length of 4 meters, a width of 4 meters, and a height of 2 meters. This allows it to maneuver easily in urban environments and utilize existing infrastructure. Its electric drive system ensures high efficiency and minimal emissions, meeting modern environmental standards. One of the unique features of the SD-03 is its vertical takeoff and landing capability, allowing it to be used on building rooftops or specialized landing pads. SkyDrive is actively addressing safety concerns by implementing backup systems and automatic flight control. What happens if you put a small dog in a cage with cheetahs? Naturally, nothing good can come of it. But what if the dog is a robot? This experiment was conducted at the Sydney Zoo as part of the Animal Interaction Project, which explores the reactions of wild animals to robots, a robot dog was placed in a cheetah enclosure. The goal is to introduce something new to the animal's familiar environment and give them a novel experience. As the robot dog was brought up to the cage, everyone held their breath. The cheetahs, seeing the strange creature through the mesh, stared at it in surprise. Out of fear, the cats started hissing, even though the dog hadn't yet entered their territory. The cheetahs were agitated, but the robot dog fearlessly moved towards its target. The experiment aimed to see if the animals would pursue the robot, so it needed to get very close, within a meter. A person off camera controlled the dog, making it run towards the enraged animal. For a moment, it was almost pitiful to see the android puppy approaching the big cat so innocently, as if wanting to play. It was clear that the spotted predators were frightened by the robot dog. The second cheetah even left the frame entirely. The bewildered cheetahs adopted a defensive rather than offensive stance. It's amusing how, out of confusion, the predators didn't even try to eat what had boldly invaded their space. When the dog stood on its hind legs and started waving its paws, the cheetah still sat there completely puzzled. It turned out to be quite an unusual experiment. F&P Robotics AG developed Leo, a mobile service robot designed to assist healthcare professionals in various settings, including hospitals, nursing homes, and rehabilitation centers. Standing at approximately human height, Leo is equipped with autonomous navigation capabilities, a functional arm for grasping and transporting objects, and a 360-degree sonar detection system for environmental awareness and safety. Leo interacts with patients through voice and touch interfaces, providing companionship, encouraging activities, and assisting with routine tasks such as delivering items. By performing these tasks, Leo helps reduce the workload of healthcare staff by up to 3 to 4 hours per day. Additionally, Leo enhances safety by patrolling facilities to detect unusual activities and potential hazards. Customizable to meet specific needs, Leo integrates seamlessly with various devices and systems, ultimately improving the quality of care by allowing healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care. The Korea Institute of Machinery and Materials has developed an advanced robotic wheelchair that significantly enhances mobility for people with limited movement capabilities. This innovative wheelchair can climb stairs and move in an upright position, providing users with greater autonomy and convenience in their daily lives. Equipped with intelligent mechanisms and sensors, the chair safely ascends and descends stairs, recognizing steps and adjusting its movement accordingly. The additional feature of vertical movement allows the user to stand and move in an upright position, making it easier to reach high objects and improving interaction with the environment. The chair also has a stabilization system to maintain balance and prevent falls. This project aims to improve the quality of life for people with disabilities by offering them more independence and freedom in daily tasks and movements. Introducing Promobot V4, an autonomous service robot designed for events and businesses. It operates in crowded areas, effectively performing the functions of a live employee. Promobot interacts with people, answers questions, provides consultations, and knows everything about your company, service, or product. It moves freely within the premises. Thanks to artificial intelligence, Promobot knows everything about your company, how to get there, where to buy, how to choose a product, and it never forgets this information. People find it interesting to interact with the robot, both adults and children. The robot is the most reliable employee. It never arrives late, never gets distracted, never takes a vacation, and never gets sick. This allows it to work 4 times more effectively than a live employee. Hundreds of Promobot robots are working in 43 countries worldwide, from the USA to Australia. They can be found in shopping and business centers, cinemas, museums, and other public places. The Chinese company Unitree has demonstrated the development process of their latest creation, the robotic dog Go 2. This robot attracts potential customers with its low price of $1,600, which sets it apart from competitors like Spot from Boston Dynamics, priced at $75,000. Standing 40.6 centimeters tall, 68.6 centimeters long, and weighing 15 kilograms, Unitree Go 2 boasts impressive features. It is equipped with a camera, flashlight, and a 360-degree rotating LiDAR sensor. Additionally, the robot dog is powered by 12 motors, 3 on each leg, allowing it to maneuver smoothly on various surfaces and perform tricks similar to those of a real dog. An 8,000 mAh battery provides the Unitree Go 2 with a decent 1 to 2 hours of autonomous operation. With a maximum speed of 2.5 meters per second, the robot can navigate complex terrains, including stairs and rocky surfaces. The future is indeed closer than it seems. On board the cruise ship MSC Virtuosa, an interactive robotic bar has been launched. The concept of this bar includes LED walls with holograms, interactive tables and terminals, and a robot bartender named Rob. The robot bartender, Rob, is not only capable of mixing and serving alcoholic and non-alcoholic cocktails, but also engaging with people, greeting, and conversing with passing guests in 8 languages. Touchscreens are embedded in the columns and walls, which can also be used to order drinks. An LED strip above the bar informs the customer when their order is ready, and a QR code is sent to their smartphone for order collection. According to MSC, it took almost 6 years to develop the Starship Club from the initial concept to its realization. American engineer has developed a robotic hand with capabilities similar to a human hand. This highly dexterous robotic hand is lightweight, making it suitable for mounting on a robot's body. The robotic hand operates on a lever-driven mechanism that allows it to move like a human hand. The engineer began his work by studying existing robotic hands, analyzing their strengths and weaknesses. He then compiled a list of desired features for the new hand, including sufficient fingertip strength, high controllability, low cost, and high maneuverability. Researchers describe the system as an anthropomorphic hand with integrated dexterity. It has 5 fingers, each with 3 movable joints, with sensors being placed at the fingertips. The hand measures only 22 centimeters in length and weighs about 1.1 kilograms. It includes 20 joints and can exert a force of 34 newtons. The scientist has created several videos demonstrating the capabilities of the robotic hand. China and Cambodia have conducted joint exercises with combat robots for the first time. During the recent joint military exercises of the Chinese and Cambodian armed forces, soldiers from the PLA demonstrated the capabilities of quadrupedal robots, reminiscent of those from movies about a machine uprising. These robots were equipped with automatic rifles mounted on their backs. According to one of the servicemen, these robotic dogs are designed for urban combat operations. They can identify targets and open fire. Over 2,000 military personnel participated in the joint exercises between the PRC and the Kingdom of Cambodia at a training camp in the central province of Kampong Chnang and off the coast of province Kampong Saom. The exercises included 14 warships, 2 helicopters, and 69 armored vehicles and tanks. The operations practiced included combat, counter-terrorism, and rescue missions. The highlight of the program was the robotic dogs, quadrupedal machines operated remotely and equipped with automatic rifles. The Chinese robotic gun dog is based on the Unitree Go 2 RoboDog, which can be purchased for $1,850 to $3,050 depending on the model. It is equipped with an ultra-wide LiDAR, a controller, and supports large language model AI functions. The robot weighs about 15 kilograms, with its body and limbs made from aluminum alloy and high-strength plastic. It can reach speeds of up to 3.5 meters per second, while carrying a load of up to 8 kilograms. The battery charge lasts for 2 hours. According to Cambodia's Chief of General Staff, Vong Pisen, the robots will enhance the defense capabilities of both armies in the fight against terrorism. Shiorin is a humanoid robot developed by the Japanese company Species. This robot features a realistic design, including detailed facial features, realistic skin and body proportions. Shiorin is equipped with advanced artificial intelligence technologies, enabling it to engage in conversations with users, understand and respond to questions, maintain dialogue, and display various emotions. Thanks to its built-in servo motors, the robot can perform a variety of movements, including hand gestures, head movements, and facial expressions, making its interaction with people more natural. Shiorin is also equipped with a speech recognition and voice synthesis system, allowing it to perceive and respond to voice commands. The robot can be used in various fields, such as customer service, education, and social interaction, providing assistance and support where human communication is needed. The company Bell, known for its innovations in aviation, has introduced the Bell Nexus air taxi, which offers an advanced solution for urban mobility. The Bell Nexus is a vertical takeoff and landing air vehicle designed to transport passengers through the air in densely populated urban environments. The Bell Nexus is equipped with a hybrid electric propulsion system, ensuring high efficiency and reduced environmental emissions. This flying vehicle can carry up to 4 passengers and 1 pilot, offering a fast and convenient way to travel across the city, bypassing traffic and reducing travel time. The vehicle weighs 2,700 kilograms and has a maximum flight range of 240 kilometers. It is expected that the Nexus can cover this distance in an hour. Bell is actively working on integrating the Bell Nexus into urban infrastructure, collaborating with partners and regulators to create an air taxi ecosystem. New humanoid robots are appearing almost every week, and some of them are already being mass-produced. However, these are just bodies. To make them useful, systems that allow them to be easily trained for new tasks are necessary. Last week, researchers presented several approaches that they demonstrated on the affordable humanoid platform H1 from Unitree Robotics Company. Stanford engineers showcased how the Human Plus system works, enabling robots to learn new movements and autonomous skills based on videos of people. Specifically, the researchers first conducted reinforcement learning for low-level policy in a simulation, using data on human movements collected from 40 hours of video. Then they transferred this policy to the real world, allowing humanoid robots to track human body and hand movements in real time, using only an RGB camera. The robot then imitated human actions, and people could correct its movements as needed through teleoperation. Engineers from Carnegie Mellon University's Soft Robotics Laboratory also shared their research with the same robot. They introduced Omni H2O, a system for teleoperation and autonomous full-body humanoid robot control based on learning. It uses the human kinematic pose as a universal control interface. This allows controlling a full-sized humanoid robot in various ways, including real-time teleoperation via a VR headset, verbal instructions, and an RGB camera. After training through teleoperated demonstrations, Omni H2O enables the robot to operate autonomously. Additionally, the system can be connected to GPT-4. The engineers also presented WOCOCO, which stands for Whole Body Contact Control. This system is based on reinforcement learning, a trial-and-error learning method. The results achieved with WOCOCO using the H1 robot from Unitree Robotics include various jumps, clapping, moving boxes, and other tricks. A division of the world-renowned retailer Amazon named Zoox is specializing in autonomous vehicles and has begun a new phase of testing its latest creation, a 4-seater electric self-driving shuttle taxi on public roads. The robotaxi is quite dynamic, capable of reaching speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour. Its traction battery provides enough charge for 16 hours of operation. Inside the robotaxi, there are 4 comfortable seats equipped with ports for connecting gadgets. However, the main feature of this autonomous vehicle is its symmetrical design at both ends, allowing it to move not only forward and backward, but also side to side. The introduction of this robotaxi represents a significant advancement for the autonomous vehicle industry and underscores the growing interest and investment in this technology. The renowned Chinese company EX Robots has released another video showcasing the production process of their humanoid robots. Like all previous videos from the company, this new video has become a hit and literally went viral. As a reminder, at the EX Robots factories in the coastal city of Dalian, engineers are working on enhancing humanoid robots, focusing particularly on facial expressions and emotional reactions. As noted by EX Robots CEO Li Boyang, androids represent the most complex direction in robotics. The process of manufacturing one such model takes between 2 to 4 weeks, and prices range from 1.5 to 2 million yuan, approximately $280,000. The workshop is scattered with silicone face masks, hands and feet, while humanoid torsos stand at various stages of assembly. Founded in 2013, EX Robots positions itself as a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research, development, production, sales and service of intelligent bionic humanoid robots, a recognizable brand in the industry. However, for now, the primary purpose of the humanoid models is to serve as live exhibits at the EX Future Science and Technology Museum, located on the premises of the EX Robots factory. Let's look at the process of creating and training one of the most advanced American humanoid robots called Figure 01, which already possesses powerful artificial intelligence thanks to collaboration with OpenAI. The American startup Figure AI claims that their creation is intended to eventually replace humans in performing heavy mechanical work. The company is rapidly advancing the project, having taught the robot to walk with balance in less than a year. Recently, the Figure robot learned to perform tasks solely based on observing humans. The American startup stated that its robot can observe how people perform tasks, analyze them, and then autonomously execute the same tasks. For instance, Figure 01 was able to make coffee independently after 10 hours of studying videos, without any pre-programmed instructions. In a recent video, the company demonstrated how the robot autonomously moves boxes from one place to another in an improvised warehouse. However, the main sensation was a video where Figure 01 showcased its ability to recognize speech, answer questions, reason, and follow commands while interacting with a human. To achieve this, Figure AI engineers combined the robot's capabilities with the visual language model developed by OpenAI. We eagerly await new updates and videos on the progress of one of the most advanced American robots. The Japanese National Agriculture and Food Research Organization, in collaboration with Ritsumeikan University and auto parts manufacturer Denso Corp., has developed a prototype harvesting robot capable of picking fruits at the same speed as a human. The Japanese fruit tree industry is experiencing a decline in the number of workers and an aging workforce. To address this, a prototype automated fruit-picking robot was developed to harvest apples, Japanese pears, and Western pears from V-shaped trees. The prototype robot moves between trees using unmanned ground vehicles and picks fruits with its 2 robotic arms. The harvested fruits are collected into an automated fruit storage system. When the container of the automated fruit storage system is filled, it is replaced with an empty one while the robot continues harvesting. According to Naro, the prototype picks one fruit approximately every 11 seconds, which is about the same speed as a human. South Korea, like many other countries, is transitioning from enhanced social distancing to what authorities call everyday distancing. The use of robots in Korean bars and restaurants has long ceased to be news. While they usually prepare cocktails and coffee or take orders, at Coffee Bar K in Seoul, there is a robot that performs a single task, carving ice balls for chilling drinks. The robot, named Cabo, stands 180 centimeters tall in a specially tailored vest and bow tie behind the bar, commenting on its actions and offering guests whiskey with ice. Cabo has been working at Coffee Bar K since 2017, but its presence is particularly relevant now as people feel significant anxiety being indoors with others. Although the robot's task may seem primitive, it boasts flawless execution. The ice balls come out perfectly smooth. A considerable number of car companies have recently begun considering a fundamentally new type of transportation: flying taxis. These vehicles won't need to stop at red lights at every intersection. They will never get stuck in traffic, and they can deliver a person to any point in the city. Additionally, there are no harmful emissions as the engines run on electricity. Recently, Hyundai joined the flight race, announcing the creation of a new special division. Hyundai, in partnership with Uber, recently unveiled the concept of a new transportation system designed to replace traditional taxis. The taxi is a device with tilt-rotor engines that provide lift during vertical takeoff and act as propellers during horizontal flight. The air taxi, which can accommodate up to 5 people, is capable of flying at an altitude of up to 600 meters, at a speed of about 300 kilometers per hour. The maximum flight range will be 100 kilometers.